Hello everyone, this video is very important for you because most of the students are asking me that nowadays PhD is mandatory. That's why what is the importance of NET and JRF? Why I will waste my time for this exam UGC NET? If I can do my PhD, then I can got the job. So nowadays UGC NET is not required. If I do the PhD, I can get the job. So this confusion is going on for everywhere, and that's why students are also asking me, guys, don't do this mistake. And please watch this video till the end, and after that take your decision. It's up to you. See, tell me one thing, that if you want to do that, yes, I will do my PhD. Then from where you can get the PhD? Because most of the universities are asking that either you have to be qualified UGC NET and JRF, otherwise you have to crack the exam. That for the central university or other states university, there is some entrance that you have to crack, and to crack the entrance also you have to read, you have to learn. That is like the same level of the UGC NET exam, and here also you have to crack it. And the advantage is that if you can prepare only for UGC NET and JRF, and if you crack the exam, then most of the universities, they are not asking you to attempt the entrance again. That is opt for the student, those who are already qualified in UGC NET and JRF. So there also you are getting an advantage, that you can go for the interview directly if you are already qualified. Especially if you are qualified in JRF, then definitely you can go for that. Otherwise another option is that but you can go for the universities that are non-government university, private university. So guys, don't do that, because for the private universities definitely they will take your money. There you have to the fee structure are more high, and after doing that also you will not get the same valuation. Those, if there are two candidates who is coming, that who is already done here their PhD from a reputed central university or a state university or any other government university, and you have done your PhD in a non-government and a private universities, then definitely that person priority will be most. And next one, that what is the importance of UGC NET? First one that I told, that if you clear the JRF, then you will get the fellowship from the government, and you will get the chance. There you will get the marks as you have already JRF qualified, and easily you can get the chance in PhD in the government universities. Next one, see guys, if you are going for the panel, in the interview panel, if you are a UGC NET qualified candidate and another one is a candidate who is not UGC NET qualified, who will get the advantage? Definitely, who is the UGC NET qualified candidate, he will get the advantage, or she will get the advantage, because qualifying UGC NET is not a easy task, definitely. And after qualifying UGC NET, definitely you get the knowledge, because only 6% students are qualifying assistant professor and 1% student are qualifying JRF. So definitely there is a difference, that they have learned properly and the subject knowledge is there. That's why they qualified the UGC NET, and they can teach well rather than that candidate who is not qualified UGC NET. So leave it from your mind that there is no importance of UGC NET. Please leave it. I am requesting you, please leave it from your mind. And it was always important to clear the UGC NET, and it is always mandatory, because definitely government is giving you the priority if you are a UGC NET qualified candidate. And that's why there is a job portal also, it is open from the NET. So don't leave your preparation, try to continue your preparation, try to crack your UGC NET and JRF. Then the gate to open means universities are open for your PhD also. And for your job also you will get the benefit. That's why it's my request to everyone, please share this video to all of the candidates, those who are feeling that what I will do my PhD or I will concentrate in my UGC NET. Maybe they are preparing for last 2 years, they are already, means if they are preparing more then they will crack it, but in that time they are leaving. So don't leave it guys, crack it, then do your PhD, and then definitely you can get the job. UGC NET importance was always there, now also the importance is there, every time the importance will be there. So UGC NET is, you have to crack it with your knowledge, apply your knowledge in the exam and do your PhD, get your job. Thank you guys, bye bye.